barbecue for lunch. So I will make bruschetta first. It's only like 10 o'clock and we're having lunch at around 12:30. So we are going to, so I'm making like bruschetta first for the husband and Josh. Olive oil, and then salt, black peppercorns, turducken, right? That's the turkey
inside. The chicken and duck inside the turkey.
too complicated. There you go. I'll slice them.
Nice.
Nice. There you go. Going to Gus barbecue for lunch. It's a beautiful fall day or autumn day. That's the Gus right there. Barbecue.
Get ready, Mom. We'll drop you off.
Yeah, gas, and here's the menu. Still waiting for the boys. They're parking right now. They have appetizer, they have beef barbecue, the greens, the burgers, and then the beverages. We have red pepper, vinegar sauce, Carolina Kansas City spicy, and Mitsubishi.
Thank you.
Honey butter jalapeno chili on the side. I'm having sweet tea. No. And here's our food. We have the cornbread and the brisket, the chicken, and the baby back ribs, and then the corn. We love this corn. Mac and cheese for Josh and beans. Let's eat.
I'm trying the Carolina Gold on the beef brisket.
Yum yum. One of the best. And your favorite is still King's Fish House, right? Happy barbecue. Check it out. I didn't want to touch it. Having barbecue back. Hi guys.
Hi. We just finished lunch at Gussy's barbecue.
Right there.
Behind us.
It's a beautiful day.
J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle, qu'on a tous une place au soleil, à tes pieds sont cachés.
Tifa chocolate and gelato here.
Tout l'air de ton sommeil, j'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution.
It's like a cafe.
Que le vent se lève de temps en temps, nous serons heureux. Pour l'éternel, que tu peux traverser les nuits sans tomber. Que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées. Que tu peux aimer sans renoncer. Tu verras mon amour
let's unbox the products that I got for brand collaborations. I might include some of them in this video. And checking this out, this is actually magnesium but in powder form, so it's easier to take, it's easier to absorb, and it's more enjoyable because it's kind of like you're just drinking like juice. This is mango and passion fruit flavored. This was sent to me by BioEmblem. BioEmblem is a company that I trust. I've been using their products for a while now. I use their CoQ10 and I also use their probiotic and also their magnesium in capsule form. Now they have a new product like magnesium in powder form, which is really great. I actually prefer the powder form because again, it's like you're just drinking juice and at the same time you get hydrated because of you drink it with water. You could also mix this with your smoothie or your breakfast, but I prefer to drink this with water, simple like this. This is a triple complex magnesium powder. It has glycinate, gluconate, and taurate, and this is good for 30 servings. Let's read the benefits of taking magnesium clockwise. It helps support muscle health, nerve function, immune system, cognitive function, heart health, and bone health. This is non-GMO, and this is made here in the USA. This is triple lab tested in a certified facility. This is gluten-free and this is vegan. It came with a scooper, so you only need 1 scoop and a glass of water. Magnesium is perfect after a busy workday when you feel tired and sluggish because it helps relax the muscles and actually it promotes a restful sleep. I really like this liquid form and I'm sure you will like it too. Again, this is from BioEmblem and the link is down below if you are interested. Getting calamari. Look at this, organic purple daikon. And then the meat, so powerful.
So are you doing nilaga or sinigang?
Very pretty cabbage. These are huge mangoes. Yeah. Yeah. Grass. This one. Second from here. The chuck roast. Yes. Thank you. Dressing. This is what we had last time.
Yes. Can we try this?
These ones are nice too. Sesame and ginger. Sure.
Almost like Oriental or Asian, no?
Yeah. Almond flour is the one that they used to make. What's that? Macarons. There you go. I'll get this wildflower honey.
Or maybe the lighter color, no? The lighter
Like this wildflower honey. We need laundry detergent too. Different
Siguro sunduin na si Toto. Hindi na ako.
Boba time.
I'll check if you guys receive it.
Husband is ordering online from It's Boba Time, and I went to Bath and Body Works to get some refreshments. Here's what I got. Like more Christmas stuff. Oh, I got this one. Pretty. And then Japanese blossom, sugar snickerdoodle, Mary Berry Martini. They are like $5 for $28.
That's good.
Yeah, they have Christmas like this too, but like they are more expensive. Limoncello and sweet and orange agave. This one smells so good. This one is more of like we can use this year round. I wanted to get the Christmas stuff too, but they're only like seasonal. I like this one. That's a yummy sweet treat. It's so colorful. Hi Josh, where are we? The husband ordered. So this is, I know this one. This is for him. Here you go, Daddy. Here's yours, Josh.
Put on the center, console with
This is mine. What did you order for me, Daddy?
same as Josh, honeydew with boba, egg pudding, and popping mango boba.
Oh, yeah. Yum, yum.
And I got the mango banana smoothie with regular boba, egg pudding, and popping strawberry boba.
J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle, qu'on a tous une place au soleil. À tes pieds sont cachés des mondes, des merveilles, un baiser volé te lève de ton sommeil. J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution aux problèmes, que le vent se lève de temps en temps. Nous serons heureux pour l'éternel, que tu peux traverser les nuits sans tomber, que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées.
We're back from grocery shopping and I'm going to cook beef soup or like sopa de res or beef nilaga. This is almost 3.5 pounds. This has been slow cooked for more than an hour now. Now I'm adding the vegetables, potatoes, chayote squash, and carrots. Now we're adding, this is zucchini squash and then celery. Next is cabbage, and then the last is bok choy. I like about this dish, lots of vegetables. I'll add the bok choy later. So cabbage, and then bok choy in a little bit. The last one, bok choy. My favorite would be bok choy and chayote. I like chayote. Let's eat. These are great inflatable like sitting if you are like playing like board games, for example, or if you would like to eat like Japanese style in like your living room. So this is 20-inch donut-shaped inflatable chair that you can use in indoor and outdoor. So if you are going to a park and you need, like, for example, the grass is wet, you can just use this. You can just put it there and then you sit there, right? So this is like super flexible, like sitting. You can also use this for yoga. It's a great inflatable seating when you are playing board games. We like to sit here when we are playing this game, Risk. We love this game. It's a perfect like chair, flexible like seating when you are playing board games, or when you are like playing like chess, for example. Or like you can bring this to your backyard. Like during summer they have those like movies at the park. You can use this too. And then you can just like gather around with your friends on a picnic or camping, and you find them like kind of like bulky to carry. If you have other stuff, then you can just deflate them. It came with an inflator and like very easy to inflate. You just remove the cover here. There's a cover here. You just take it off, and then you just like inflate it. I just need to put the cover back. Beautiful colors. So this is like a really flexible and awesome like sitting chair. And then when you're done, like inflatable. And when you're done, you can just like put them together and like put them in like one side or one corner. You can also use them to like work out, something like that. See, I really love the colors too. They come in like beautiful colors. They were given to me by Claudine. The link is down below if you are interested. Here's our coffee. I'm having Valley Valley, and husband is having.
I'm having chagachino. It's a blend of cinnamon, monk fruit, oatmeal, and a hint of vanilla, and a double shot of espresso.
Oh, looks yummy.
Cheers!
Cheers! Mine is the same coffee that husband ordered last time. This is Valley Valley. Breakfast. This is maple glazed French toast. Husband always orders better.
I'm having shakshuka with 2 poached eggs, feta cheese, and some herb, with 2 pita bread and the Claudine's hot sauce. First bite.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Spicy. Shakshuka. That's shakshuka, right?
True Moroccan flavor.
Husband is better. Husband is better. Mine is easy safety.
On the sauce.
This is our shiso plant. I'm harvesting some leaves for our sashimi dinner later. This is from the May family, and they are really great in like wrapping meat, thinly sliced meat, or like a seafood, like fish. This is what you see in sashimi or sushi. Sometimes they put like shiso leaves in between like the rice and then the fish in nigiri sushi. Harvesting leaves now for later, since it gets dark early these days. Smells so good. It's kind of like mint, but milder, tastes milder than mint. Very popular in Japanese and Korean cuisine.